why are you not using the conduit in Minecraft? It's a super useful item, but it turns out many people don't even know how to build it. So, what is a conduit? Well, if you've ever found a buried treasure, you might have seen the heart of the sea and not known what it was for, but put it in a crafting table and surround it with nautilus shells, and you get a conduit. By itself, it just looks like some useless block, but just like a beacon, it needs to be activated. Essentially, the conduit is an underwater beacon. Instead of separate effects, it gives you conduit power. So, what does that do? Unlimited underwater breathing, haste for fast mining underwater, night vision to see better in the water. It basically lets you live underwater. The problem is, it doesn't just activate on its own. For that, you need prismarine blocks. You'll have to build a cage with a 3x3 space in the middle, place the conduit in the center, and it will activate. Right now, this is a level 1 conduit. To make it stronger, add more prismarine blocks. Just like in the video, as the level increases, the effect works over a much larger distance. Oh, and by the way, the conduit also slowly damages mobs that get too close. So, you can live underwater without worrying about them at all. Are players really not using this?